Tactical plate carriers and modular vests are foundational for training, airsoft, outdoor professionals, and anyone needing load-bearing utility without compromising mobility. The category blends armor-compatible plate carriers with lightweight, non-ballistic utility vests, each prioritizing different trade-offs between protection, loadout capacity, adjustability, and comfort. Product number 1. MOL Utility Tactical Vest. Lightweight, adjustable, quick-release 500D nylon vest, modular design for outdoor. The Bolo Defense V1 Tactical Utility Vest is designed as a versatile, non-ballistic loadout platform built from 500D nylon. It emphasizes MOLI compatibility for customizable pouches, a detachable front gear panel for quick access essentials, and a quick-release buckle system for fast donning and doffing. The design prioritizes breathability and durability while maintaining a compact, lightweight profile suitable for airsoft, outdoor training, and general gear organization. The adjustable shoulder and waist straps enable a wider user range, and reinforced stitching plus high-tensile fabric suggests solid wear resistance in rough environments. In practice, the vest excels as a modular carrier for tools, hydration, and accessories rather than for protecting against ballistic threats. The detachable front panel is convenient for scenarios that require rapid access to field essentials. However, users should not expect ballistic protection or plate compatibility, as the product is explicitly non-ballistic. The quick-release system is timely for transitioning between activities, but users should verify strap tension to prevent shifting load during dynamic movement. Overall, it's a robust utility vest best suited for training drills, gear organization, and hobbyist use where safety gear is not required. Product number 2. 500D Quick-Release Modular Plate Carrier Men Training Vest with Drop Pouch. The Votagu Gear 500D Quick-Release Modular Plate Carrier positions itself as a training-focused vest with plate carrier styling and a drop pouch. It blends 500D nylon construction with a modular layout intended for outdoor training and airsoft use. The quick-release capability is a central feature aimed at rapid on-off in dynamic environments, while MOLE compatibility supports a broad range of pouches and hydration options. With a premium construction feel for the price point, this model competes directly with mid-range tactical vests that prioritize ease of use and quick access without heavy ballistic protection demands. From a performance perspective, this vest is well suited for scenarios where multiple pouches and a drop pouch are needed during training or field exercises. It excels in ease of layering and quick adjustments, but potential buyers should note that it is a training-oriented product, not a ballistic plate carrier. The fit and stability depend heavily on proper adjustment of the shoulder straps and cummerbund, and users may benefit from verifying plate compatibility if used with inserts. Overall, it offers strong value for trainees and outdoor professionals who require modularity and rapid access in a non-ballistic context. Product number 3. MG Flash Force Tactical Vest MOLE Airsoft Vest for Men. MG Flash Force presents an affordable MOLE airsoft-style tactical vest aimed at value-conscious consumers. The vest emphasizes MOLE compatibility, accessible front and back panels for pouches, and a practical overall silhouette suitable for airsoft games and training drills. The lightweight construction and simple adjustments make it approachable for beginners, while still offering real-world utility for organizing pouches and hydration systems in a compact frame. As an entry to mid-level option, it balances cost with functional loadout capability. In use, the MG Flash Force vest is most comfortable for lighter rations and gear where ballistic protection is not required. It supports a range of pouches and a straightforward fit, though it may lack some premium features found on higher-end models, such as reinforced stitching in high-stress areas or advanced comfort padding. It's a strong choice for entry-level users, casual training, or hobbyists who want reliable MOLE integration without a premium price tag. Product number 4. Bomb Turn Tactical Vest for Men Quick Release Laser Cutting MOLE System Vest for Outdoor. Bomb Turn's Tactical Vest is a US-imported laser-cut MOLLE system vest built around 1000D nylon for enhanced abrasion resistance and durability. It uses a Cobra buckle quick release on the shoulders and a one-handed release on the cummerbund, with a wide size range, S to XXL, and substantial adjustments. The laser-cut MOLLE panels on front and back maximize patching space while improving ventilation. The vest includes integrated pockets in the cummerbund for added protection and a padded, breathable interior to improve comfort during longer wear. In practice, Bomb Turn delivers a robust, comfortable fit with ample loadout capacity and rapid access features. The 1000D construction translates to improved wear resistance in rough environments, while the laser cut design helps reduce weight without sacrificing strength. The main caveat is that at this price, you should expect some flex in the fabric where heavy pouches are loaded, and the fit may vary with torso length due to the broad XXXL range. It's a strong option for users seeking a rugged, adjustable, quick-release vest with extensive MOLLE real estate. Number 5. Tactical Vest. Keyson's quick-release outdoor weighted vest targets the budget-conscious buyer seeking breathability and modularity. It emphasizes a 3D breathable vest with adjustable straps and quick-release capability for fast transitions during training sessions. The design aims to deliver practical MOLLE compatibility and a comfortable wearing experience at a lower price point, making it appealing for beginners, hobbyists, or those who primarily need a training vest rather than ballistic protection. In use, the Keyson's vest offers solid basic functionality with a focus on comfort and airflow, aided by its breathable construction. However, the trade-off is in build materials and long-term durability compared to higher-end models. The lighter fabric and fewer reinforcement points mean it may wear quicker under heavy use or weighty pouches. It remains a practical, value-driven option for gym-like training, airsoft, and general outdoor use where armor is not required.